So at what rate is the height of the pill is increasing when the sand in the pill is 8 meters high? Okay. If you differentiate a function one time, ds by dt is called the velocity. So negative sign indicates it is decreasing. So therefore, the rate of change of x dx by dt is equal to -9. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed the problems based on rate measure in application of derivatives. Now today I will take few more problems based on the concept of a rate measure. Now let us come to the first problem. Already we have discussed the rate of change of displacement is called the velocity and the rate of change of velocity is called as the acceleration. If you differentiate a function one time, ds by dt is called the velocity. If you differentiate two times, you will get the acceleration, that is dv by dt, or it is also called as d square s by dt square is called the acceleration. Now in the first problem, what is the problem given? The sides of an equilateral triangle, it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degrees. It's an equilateral triangle. Is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. How fast is the area increasing when the side is 10 centimeters? Now, what is the given problem is this is an equilateral triangle. Let us consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Let x be the side, each side of a triangle. Let x be the each side of an equilateral triangle and then each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Then the sides of such an equilateral triangle is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. Per second it will increase us by 3 centimeters like this. Now what is the rate of then? How fast is the area increases? How fast this area increases when each side is equal to 10 centimeters? That's it. Very simple problem. So here what is given? The rate of change of each side is dx by dt is given. Dx by dt is equal to 3 centimeters per second and x is equal to given. X is equal to 10 centimeters. What is required to find? How fast is the area increases? dA by dt. How fast is the area increases when each side is equal to 10 centimeters. Now dA by dt is to be determined. Now given, alright, given that suppose if x is the each side, if x be a side, be the side of an equilateral triangle, if x is a side of an equilateral triangle, then given that dx by dt is equal to 3 centimeters per second and x is equal to 10 centimeters. What is to find? To find dA by dt. This is to be determined. Okay. Now we know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Since it's an equilateral triangle, here this can be written as half into base into c into sine of 60 degree. So that's equal to, let x be the side, x is equal to b and c. Now then this becomes half into x into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So therefore area of the triangle is root 3 by 4, x into x is x square. So here area is equal to root 3 by 4 x square. Differentiate with respect to t. Now differentiate with respect to t, then what you will get? dx by dt is equal to root 3 by 4 constant as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x into dx by dt. Now substitute the values. Root 3 by 4 into 2 into x is 10 and dx by dt is equal to 3. This is 3. Simplify this. What you will get? So this is nothing but 2 2s are again 2 5s are root 3 into 5 3s are 15. So this is 15 root 3 is the required answer. That's it. Unit, whatever the unit given, you just represent 15 root 3 units. Now the area is nothing but centimeter square per second. That's it. So therefore, the rate of change of area dA by dt is equal to 15√3 centimeter square per second is the required area. That's it. So very simple problems here. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. Since it's an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degrees. There is a formula. Area of a triangle is half into BC, half into two sides into angle proportional to that particular side. So half into BC into sine of that particular angle, half into BC into sine 60. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. So half into B and C are x and x. BC x into sine 60. Since you know sine 60 is equal to √3 by 2, √3 by 4 into x square. Now differentiate this. √3 by 4 constant, derivative of x square is 2x into dx by dt. Substitute the value of dx by dt as 3 and x is equal to 10. So then you are going to get the answer as 15√3 centimeter square per second is the rate of change of area of the given triangle. That's it. Hope you followed. This very important problem for 3 marks. Maybe you may expect this type of question for your final examination. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Now what is given? If s is equal to 5t square plus 4t minus 8, find the initial velocity and the acceleration, where s is the displacement and t is the time taken. So in the last class we did same type of problem. Let me take this problem once again. If s is equal to, what is given? S is equal to 5t square plus 4t minus 8. Now differentiate with respect to t. If you differentiate this, differentiating with respect to t, then what you will get? ds by dt is equal to 5 into differentiation of t square is 2t plus 4 into differentiation of t is 1, 8 constant 0. So therefore we can write ds by dt is equal to 10t plus 4. Now this is equation number 1. Now let us differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to t again, what you will get? T square s by dt square is equal to 10 into derivative of t is 1, that's equal to 10. This is equation number 2. Now see here, differentiate it. ds by dt is equal to 5 into differentiation of t square is 2t plus 4 into derivative of t is 1. So 5 2s are 10 plus 4. Again differentiate this. Differentiation of t is 1, 10 into 1 is 10 plus 4 constant 0. d square s by dt square is equal to 10. Now what is required to find? What is required to find? Find the initial velocity and the acceleration. So this itself is the acceleration. So d square s by dt square is nothing but the acceleration is equal to 10 unit per second square. Whatever the unit it is given, so unit per second square. Now how to find the initial velocity? Initial velocity is nothing but the velocity at time t is equal to 0. Now put t is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0. What is you will get? ds by dt is equal to 10 into 0 plus 4. This is the velocity. So therefore the initial velocity is equal to 4 unit per second. Initial velocity is 4 unit per second and the acceleration is equal to 10 unit per second square. That's it. So these are the initial velocity and acceleration. So initial velocity is nothing but velocity at time t is equal to 0. That's it. So you will get the initial velocity and the initial acceleration at t is equal to 0 as 4 unit per second and 10 unit per second square. Now let's move on to the next problem. A circular patch of oil spreads on water. The area growing at the rate of 16 centimeters square per minute. How fast the radius and the circumference is increasing when the diameter is 12 centimeter. Listen, what is required to find? To find the rate of how fast is the radius means dr by dt. How fast is the radius and the circumference means dc by dt. This is to be determined. What is given? Given that dA by dt is equal to 16 centimeters square per minute and the diameter is nothing but 2r is equal to diameter, that is equal to 12. So diameter is 12 means 2 times the radius. So therefore r is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6 centimeters. This is given. So therefore r is equal to 6 centimeters. Then dA by dt is equal to 16 centimeter square per minute, and what is to find is dr by dt is question mark, dc by dt is also question mark. Now let us come to the first concept. What is the area? Area of a circle, area is equal to pi r square. Now differentiate with respect to t. dA by dt is equal to pi into differentiation of r square is 2r into dr by dt. Substitute the values, you will get what is dA by dt. 16 is equal to pi into 2 into r is 6 into dr by dt. So therefore dr by dt is equal to dr by dt. Therefore dr by dt is equal to, on the left hand side we have 16 divided by pi into 2 into pi into 2 into 6. So this is nothing but 8 2s are, then again from 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So dr by dt is equal to 4 by 3. dr by dt is equal to 4 by 3. That's it. Okay. Write down the particular unit. Now therefore dr by dt, what is left over? dr by dt is equal to, in the numerator we have pi divided by pi into 3. That is nothing but 4 by 3 pi. Now what is the unit? The unit is centimeters per minute. That's it. So therefore the first answer, rate of change of radius dr by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi centimeters per minute is the rate of change of the radius. That's it. So just what is given, area is equal to pi r square, differentiate with respect to t, you will get dA by dt is equal to, dA by dt is pi into 2r into dr by dt. Substitute the value of dA by dt as 16 and r is equal to 6. Simplify, you will get this. Now let us come to the second part, that is the circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Differentiate with respect to t, dc by dt is equal to 2 pi into dr by dt. Substitute the values, 2 pi into, what is dr by dt? dr by dt is 4 by 3 pi. So this pi and pi gets cancelled. You will get 8 by 3 centimeters per minute. That's it. So the change of circumference dc by dt, rate of change of circumference of the circle is 8 by 3 centimeter per minute. That's it. So this is how we are going to solve this problem. Now let us come to the next problem. Sand is being dropped at the rate of 10 meter cube per second, 10 meter cube per second into a conical pill. If the height of the pill twice the radius of the base, at what rate is the height of the pill is increasing when the sand in the pill is 8 meters high? So what is required to find is at what rate of change. So at what rate is the height of the pill is increasing when the sand in the pill is 8 meters high. Okay. Now let us write down what is given and what is to find. Given that, what is given? The sand is being dropped at the rate of 10 meter cube. So dv by dt is equal to 10 meter cube per second. Right. Next, if the height of the pill is twice the radius, h is equal to 2r. And then at what rate is the height of the pill is increasing when the sand pill is 8 meters. So h is equal to 8 meters. Right. This is the given condition. Now what is to find? To find dh by dt. That's it. Now from this, h is equal to 2r. What is r? R is equal to h by 2. We know the volume. Volume is given by, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is 1 over 3 pi into, what is r? H by 2 whole square into h. This is equal to 1 by 3 pi h square divided by 4 into h. So this can be written as v. Yes, v is equal to, therefore v is equal to 1 over 3 times pi. This is h square into h is h to the power of h cube divided by 4. Okay, simplify this. So therefore the volume V is equal to 1/3 times pi h cube divided by 4 into 4. This is 1/12 times pi h cube. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Listen to me, very simple. What is given? dV by dt is equal to 10 meter cube per second and h is equal to 2r. Therefore, and h is equal to 2r. Also given h is equal to 8 centimeters. What is required to find is dh by dt. Then, so here h is equal to 2r means r is equal to h by 2. So, therefore, the volume V is equal to, volume is given by 1/3 pi r square h. Since there are two variables r and h, obtain the relation between r and h. Since we know r is equal to h by 2, substitute here r is equal to h by 2 whole square into h, that is h square into h divided by 4 is h cube divided by 4. So, therefore, V is equal to 1/12 times pi into h cube. Differentiate it and get the answer. Now, differentiating with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t, then what you will get? dV by dt is equal to 1/12 pi constant, differentiation of h cube is 3h square into dh by dt. So, you know what is dV by dt? 10. 10 is equal to 1/12 into pi into 3 into, you know, h is equal to 8 square into dh by dt. That's it. So, this is 10 is equal to, multiply, divide it, 3 4s are gets cancelled, 1/4 into pi into 8 8s are 64 into dh by dt. So, this can be written as, so this is 10 divided by 16 is equal to 10 divided by 16 pi is equal to dh by dt. So, therefore, dh by dt can be written as, divide it. So, 2 5s are 2 8s are. So, 5 by 8. 5 by 8 pi. 5 by 8 pi is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. So, what is the unit you are going to write? Meters per second. MT or M, meters per. So, therefore, dH by dt is equal to, dH by dt is equal to 5 by 8 pi meters per second. That's it. This is the required answer. Okay. See, very simple. Just find out the volume. Volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Convert r to the h and simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Now, let us come to the next problem. A ladder of 15 feet long. The length of the ladder is 15 feet long. Leans against a smooth vertical wall. If the top slides downwards, if the top decreases, if the upper end moves downwards at the rate of 2 feet per second, find how fast the lower end is moving when the lower end is 12 feet from the wall. So, here this is the problem given. So, let us consider this is the ground and this is a wall. If a ladder, this is the ladder. This is the ladder and this is the wall and the ground. So, if a ladder of 15 feet, this is given, 15 feet, leans against a smooth vertical wall. If the top slides downwards, if this moves downwards, then this will move away from this. So, if such is the case, and find how fast the lower end is moving when the lower end is 12 feet. 12 feet, this is 12 feet. Now, write down what is given and what is to find, that's it. Now, given that x is equal to 12 and dy by dt is equal to 12 feet per second. This is dy by dt and this is x. That's it. Now, what is to find is dx by dt. Now, from figure, if you apply Pythagoras theorem for this, let us consider this as a, b and c. We can write ac square is equal to ab square plus bc square. That is x square plus y square, x square plus y square is equal to 15 square. You will get the equation. Simplify. So, therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 15 square. This is x square plus y square is equal to 225. X square plus y square is equal to 225. You know what is the value of x? X is equal to what is given? X is equal to 12. 12 square plus y square is equal to 225. So just what is y? 12 square is 144 plus y square is equal to 225. Y square is equal to 225 minus 144. Therefore, y square is equal to 81. So the required answer y is equal to root of 81 is 9. Y is equal to 9. So from x square plus y square is equal to 225, differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to t. If you differentiate with respect to t, 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt, derivative of a constant is 0. Divide by 2. What you will get? X into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Since they have given what is x, you know x is equal to, here x is equal to 12, dy by dt is equal to 2. Yes, given dy by dt is equal to 2. Okay, now let us come to this. X is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 and dx by dt, that is to be determined, plus y. What is y? Y is equal to 9 into dy by dt. What is dy by dt? It is 2, not 12, it is 2, is equal to 0. So just 12 dx by dt is equal to, transfer this, 9 2s are 18 minus 18. Only dx by dt is equal to minus 18 divided by 12. So divide it, minus 18 by 12. So this can be divided, you can divide by 6, 6 3s are 6 2s are minus 3 by 2. So therefore dx by dt is equal to minus 3 by 2. Write on the particular unit, that's it. What is the unit? Feet per second. So that is foot per second, that's it. So dx by dt is equal to minus 3 by 2 foot per second. The negative sign indicates it is decreasing. So here what is given? Given x is equal to 12 and this dx by dt we have to determine. Dx by dt is the question mark. Dy by dt is given, that is 2 and y is equal to 9. If you substitute all these values, then you will get the required answer, that's it. So x is 12 into dx by dt plus y is equal to 9 into dy by dt is equal to 2. So dx by dt is equal to minus 3 by 2 feet per second, which is the required answer for this problem. Okay, so that's all regarding this problem is concerned. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.